Welcome to Southeast News on IGBO AREA TV. In Enugu State, Governor reduces CNG buses fare by 40%. In Enugu State, Governor Peter Mbah has put a smile on the faces of passengers. The government-owned CNG buses has reduced transport fare by 40%. For example, the fare from Enugu to Nsukka has dropped from 2,500 naira to 1,500 naira. Passengers are now rushing to the Holy Ghost Terminal to take advantage of the price cut. One ticket officer said the order came from above. Passengers also expressed joy. I heard about the reduction. That's why I came. This is my first time using the bus. And I'm here because I saved money today, said Jane Atama. Another passenger, Solomon Ugu, added, this is the dividend of democracy. At first, we complained that the buses were too expensive, but the governor has listened. These buses are not ordinary. They have air conditioners, security cameras, phone chargers, and direct payment to the state's revenue account. They are not harassed at police checkpoint, unlike what you see in Lagos. And I think you still see that in part of Anambra. Harassment. It's not a case of each buses that passes, donate a particular amount, donate this amount, donate this amount. You pay directly. I hope other Southeast states are watching. This is good leadership. What Enugu state government did. We are at a time when fuel price is high and transport is costly. Reducing fares is real relief for the people. It shows that government can make life easier if they want to. That's like a subsidy for me. Other states should copy. Other Southeast states should copy this idea. Modern bus, affordable fares, and dignity for passengers. And no extortion on the way. None of these touts disturbing these buses. Yeah. Let me tell you, we can actually make our abroad here if we are serious. Thumbs up to Enugu state government while we go to Ebonyi state. Governor Nwifuru denies health rumors. In Ebonyi State, Governor Francis Nwifuru has cleared the air about rumors that he secretly traveled abroad for medical treatment. The governor said he was away on official duty, not because of sickness, but the false news spread so much that even his father called to check if he was alive. Speaking during Nigeria's 65th independence anniversary, he said, when you see a calm man, be careful. Don't mistake humility for weakness. We can bite, but we don't want to start biting. You see, this is something this is a trend that is common in Nigeria. Why people have such insinuation is because we already known for traveling for medical checkup. Meanwhile, we can build those facilities here. And people have, they are hinging on it to spread fake news. Yes, they are hinging on things like that too, because it's common. This is what our governance does. And that is why when our leaders fly out, many people are quick to assume that they are on medical leave. Because past leaders have abused medical trips. Nwifuru's words also carry a warning. Just because he is gentle does not mean he cannot fight back. But moving forward, Ebonyi will judge him by not by rumors, but by his action in office. But sincerely, does it mean some of these governors are not sick? You can hardly see any of these governors in a sick bed in Nigeria, in a hospital in Nigeria. So that we're also suspicious. What do you think? And still in Ebonyi state government cracks down on illegal school. And with illegal school, the state government has arrested 88 school proprietors and teachers for running illegal school. Okay, does it mean they did not record? Officials discovered schools without qualified teachers, proper classrooms, or approval from the Ministry of Education. These schools were immediately shut down. Commissioner Donatus Elan said, we cannot compromise the future of our children. These schools are dangerous to learning. He warned parents to check if schools are accredited before enrolling their children. He also said the state will continue to help genuine schools with training and infrastructure. This crackdown, the crackdown we call it. Ọ ya ka mma na na-ejere school nke adịchaghị mma than na-ejeghị eje. Well, some will say it is a tough reaction, but it is necessary to some. Too many mushroom schools cheat parents and destroy children's future. But government must also provide alternatives. Good public schools, affordable fees, and proper supervision. If Ebonyi sustains this crackdown, it will raise the quality of education in the state, but that is not enough. What is the government doing already? Because many people would have been going to public schools, but when you realize the public schools do not have the right infrastructure, you look for the private ones, affordable private ones. And by the way, there is no so much bad school, just that they might not meet standard. I come back age now, now to Abia State, Abia Polytechnic abolishes statement of results. In Abia, the new rector of Ebonyi Polytechnic, formerly Abia Poly, Mr. Christopher Okoro, has introduced big reforms. He abolished statement of results and the sale of handouts. From now, students will access results online within 6 weeks after exams. Certificates now come with QR codes that employers can scan for verification. Okoro said, how can a student finish school and still carry paper for years, chasing certificate? It is not right. The rector also revealed that the Polytechnic has cleared 36 months of salary arrears, improved infrastructure, and gained full accreditation for all its 33 programs, plus 17 new ones, including AI, cybersecurity, fashion design, and mechatronics. This is a model for Nigerian schools. For too long, students have been exploited with handouts, delay of results, and endless statement of result fees. Abia Poly has shown that technology can fight corruption in education. If other schools copy this, our higher institution will finally enter the modern age. I like what I'm seeing in some of our schools in the Southeast. With time, things will change massively. And we go to Anambra. Soludos road revolution in Anambra. Governor Soludo of Anambra State is changing the face of roads across the state. Billions of naira worth of projects are ongoing in all 3 senatorial zones. Some example, 7.5 billion naira for the Nanka Agulezibo Umona Road, erosion control. 10.95 billion naira for the Mbauku Obu Amoetiti Akpeze Road with a new bridge. Dual carriage ways like Agolo Nnewi Okija and Amobia Nise Agolo Ekwulobia Oga. Roads at Okpoko, Omagba, Onisha, Uli, Nsugbe, and many more. Over 500 property owners have been compensated. Travel time between towns has reduced because of good roads. Dangerous roads are now safe. Infrastructure is Soludo's biggest weapon. If these roads last, they will boost trade, open up rural areas, and connect Anambra's 21 local government areas. The challenge is maintenance. Too often, Nigerian roads collapse after a few years. But if Soludo can deliver durable roads, his name will be remembered for generations. Still in Anambra, political drama. Ekwunife vs. Soludo, the 2025 Anambra governorship race has turned dramatic. Senator Uche Ekwunife, deputy governorship candidate of the APC, clashed with Governor Soludo and his wife recently. It started with accusation of fake certificate, but the quarrel got personal, with Ekwunife questioning the paternity of Mrs. Soludo's children. In response, the First Lady challenged Ekwunife to swear an oath in church and even offered to sponsor DNA tests in London. Public outcry followed, as many accused both sides of washing dirty linen in public. Dr. George Moala of Labour Party said politicians should focus on policies, not family insult. Later, Ekwunife apologized through her head, but the Soludos rejected it, saying it was not genuine, since she didn't apologize directly. This is shameful politics. Anambra deserves debates on education, economy, jobs, not gossip about marriage and children. If leaders keep dragging personal lives into campaign, the people will suffer. Voters must demand maturity. Elections should be about ideas, not insults. And this has been Southeast News on Igbo Area TV. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't. I am Azuka Oja. I say bye-bye for now.